Hi everyone, welcome to the session and let me explain about the Cisco Firepower 1150. So basically there is a device in the Cisco that's known as the next generation firewall, NGFW firewall, and this firewall is basically known as Cisco Firepower, that is going to be 1150. So I'm going to talk about what is the Cisco Firepower, basically how the Cisco Firepower is going to look like and why basically this Cisco Firepower is going to use for any kind of the network security domain. So you can see this is the Cisco Firepower 1150, and if you see the front view of the Cisco Firepower, it is going to look like in this way. You are going to find this kind of the ports available, and this is your next generation firewall, guys, trust me. So you can just connect this Cisco Firepower for any kind of the firewall requirement if you have the network and you want to looking for the firewall solutions. So you can use this Firepower, and you can see this is the power supply you're going to get for this Firepower. You can just turn on these devices and you can also turn off from this, and you can connect the Firepower to this power supply. So you can install this Firepower on your branch locations. You have the small sites, might be the medium range of sites. So you can use this kind of the firewall. This is small firewalls, but it's going to give the all kind of the firewall features. And also in this Firepower, you can see we have the USB port. This USB port is going to use for any kind of the data copy you want to do that, any kind of the connectivity you want to do that, means for the file transfer and all. There is a console cable, type C console cable is going to be there. Also we have the console cable and the management port is available on this, and rest we have the different kind of the fiber ports available, LAN and WAN connectivity available. Means these ports can be used to connect your WAN connections, also for the LAN connections. So if you want to use a LAN WAN connectivity, this is going to be used. Also for the you looking for the high speed connections like a fiber port, SFPs. So they are going to be SFP is going to also use here. So you can connect the SFP on this particular Firepower device. And also we have the options to install the line cards. Means if you have any need additional cards available to on this particular firewall, you can do that. But this is the next generation firewall, and this next generation firewall have the all kind of inspections. You can do the layer 2 packet inspection, layer 3 packet inspection, you can do the layer 4 inspections, layer 7 inspections. Along with that, you can do the application inspections, you can do the URL inspections, you can do the content inspections, you can use the SSL inspection. So that's why any firewall which is basically categorized in the next generation firewall, so we known as the NGFW firewall, which have the all kind of the feature. So this Cisco Firepower basically going to use for the next generation firewall. So the idea why I'm showing this all, because you should know, being a network security engineer, you should know how my product is going to look like. So this is a front panel, but if you go from back side, you are going to get only the fan, and you can see this is my Cisco logo is going to be there, and this is just for your fan connectivity. So there is nothing is connected from the back end side, no power, no cabling and all, but everything you are going to get from the front end side. See, this is the 3D view, and everything you are going to get from the front end side. Means you have to give the turn on turn off, you have the power supply, you have this all. So this firewall is just giving the competitions to all next generation firewall. Especially if I just show you the Palo Alto is going to be also give the NGFW feature. You have the checkpoint, so checkpoint firewall also going to give this NGFW features. You are going to use like FortiGate is also going to give the NGFW feature. So these firewall are basically top notch firewall in the market. Means this is the very popular firewall, but Cisco also competing, but it's less popular in the firewall. So if you are just planning to become a firewall engineer for the Cisco, might be the CCNP security also are going to learn about the Cisco Firepower. Earlier it was ASA versions, Cisco ASA firewall. So this firewall Cisco ASA is the legacy firewall. Means you can basically inspect the traffic based on the layer 2, layer 3 and layer 4. So this firewall is on a layer 4 firewall, Cisco ASA. But after Cisco ASA, they come with the new module that is known as Cisco Firepower, and this firewall is 1150 Firepower. This have the all next generation firewall features like L2 inspection, L3 inspection, L4 inspection, L7 inspection, and any content, any user, any URL, any website. Means everything can be like done by this particular Cisco Firepower. So I hope you guys understand about this product. At least you see how the front view is going to look like for Cisco Firepower. So in case of any doubt, you want to learn about Cisco Firepower, you want to learn the Palo Alto firewall, you want to learn any kind of the FortiGate firewall, checkpoint firewall, support firewall, we are the one of the training provider company. We just provide the all firewall solutions and also their training and how to configure, how to troubleshoot, and how to basically deploy in the data center and the any kind of branch office location. So I hope you understand about this Firepower device. If you have any question, please write in the comment. Definitely we'll talk to you. Thank you so much, guys.